We'll take a look at the replay of the start. This is the under-19 men's 8. We have 2 heats here, so back to the progression system. Fast and furious off the start. We saw Great Britain there out of lane 1. They were quick off the line and currently hold the lead. That's a look at the USA out of lane 3. It is GB up at the top of the field, just off the picture. The Kiwis running quickly as well. Romania's with them, then back to Italy and the USA.
Ką mes turim įsitikinimą, kad Britai aštuonetėse nejuokauja ir šiuo metu. Taip, tai yra pirmas plaukimas vyrų aštuonetės, 5 komandos, pirmas vanduo Britanija, šiuo metu pirmauja, atriklavus lygiai pusę distancijos, antras vanduo Rumunija, trečias JAV, ketvirtas Italija ir 5 Naujoji Zelandija. Taip, antroje vietoje mes turim Kivius, iš Naujoji Zelandija ir trečioje vietoje Rumunai.
And the halfway times are in, so I'll head it straight to the course. Great Britain looking strong there through the halfway.
Yeah, not much has changed over the last 500, except for Romania moving from 4th place into 3rd place ahead of the Italians. That's the only change in the last 500 to 1,000 meters. You can see the finish line is in sight in the distance there. They're powering down here. All of the crews 36 up to 39 strokes per minute, but it's the GB crew here. Cox, Felix, Jemison will be cheering and coordinating them home, and they're leading it out here ahead of the crews from New Zealand in 2nd place and Romania, matching each other on stroke rate and boat speed as well. Very little between them for 2nd and 3rd. It's the Romanians and New Zealand battling there ahead then of Italy back in 4th, and the USA back in 5th place. The USA crew we saw in the women's race moved from 5th into 2nd, but that huge sprint finish. But there's a lot of work to do for the USA to get back in the mix here. We're seeing now the GB crew looking in full control here. They're starting to inch away even further, leading it out as they come in with 500 to go.
Kol kas fantastiška kova, labai greitas tempas, lyderiauja Britai, jie pirmi ir po 500 metrų, ir taip pat po 1000 metrų, ir po 1500 metrų savo pranašumą sugeba išlaikyti. Čia dalyvauja beje ir Europos čempionai italai, sudėtis šiek tiek keitėsi, bet Italija faktas, kad yra stipri, tačiau kol kas užima tik 4. poziciją. Rumunija taip pat yra čia, rumunai kol kas yra 2, jie Europos čempionate buvo 4, bet atstumai šį buvo labai maži. Nugalėtojai italai per 5:34:75 finišavo, rumunai per 5:36:92. Tada atsilikimas buvo šiek tiek daugiau nei 2 sekundės, 1 ir 4 vietos. Tad faktas, kad ten buvo viskas labai atkaklu, panašiai kaip ir čia jau komandos artėja finišo link.
Finish line is in flight for GB. The women's crew are there just coming in. They'll be cheering them on as they come in. A dominant display from GB. The Romanians holding on to 2nd place at the moment, ahead of New Zealand. They're into the last run, into the finish. Minor places to be sorted out between Romania, New Zealand and the Italians. And here come USA.
Here comes the USA. All eyes, though, on the Kiwis. The Kiwis making a run for Romania's 2nd place position. No one is catching GB, but Romania under threat by the Kiwis.
Šiuo metu Britai pirmauja ir gana gerai atsiplėšia. Artimiausi nuo jų yra rumunai, atsilieka 22 metrais. Taip, pirmos 2 vietos patenka į finalą A, pirmas ir antras geriausi laikai finalas A, trečias ir žemesnės vietos finalą B.
Well, Romania answers the threat from this combination of New Zealand. It is indeed Great Britain first across through, Romania with a good half-length or more advantage over New Zealand, and then back to Italy. A job well done to Italy, and over to the USA out of lane 3 with good overlap to Italy, who's overlapped with the Kiwis. So fast and furious racing from the 8s. It always is. Just these boats just cooling down here for a moment. It is Great Britain to take the men's 8 in this first heat.